Hello, my name is Bobby Garcia, and I have chosen to do my defense on Unit 12 Conics. So to start off is with my reviewed mind map. As you can see, I have shown a connection between hyperbolas and ellipses, and that their equations are similar but different in that hyperbolas have subtraction in their equation, and ellipses only deal with addition. Other than that, I have also drawn a connection between parabolas and hyperbolas in that hyperbola is two parabolas. I've also decided to draw graphs in the conic sections showing the horizontal and vertical versions of each one, except for circles because it's pretty simple. In each one I have also done their equations, which helps me to identify their different conic sections when dealing with equations to simplify them to standard form. And helping me with that, I've also put here complete the square, and I've drawn a connection between each of the conic sections to remind me to do that when simplifying equations to standard form. Moving on to my original mind map. As you can see, there are not any connections at all except for hyperbolas and parabolas, and it's not really organized and informative as much as my reviewed one is, and there are a lot more connections between things and additions that I have made to my reviewed one. I think that my reviewed one would have helped me a lot more during my test, in that it shows me what I could do to solve for equations when simplifying different equations. When starting off this unit, I did very well actually. In my checkpoint, I scored a 90%, which was higher than my intended goal. And in doing different problems, it was very easy for me in finding the domain, the range, and so on. But in the quiz and test, it was a whole another story, scoring a very low score. And as you can see, I had trouble in pulling pieces from the information that I was given, such as finding the center and foci and things such as that. But the biggest problem that I had was simplifying equations to standard form in order to find the conic section. As you can see here, I simplified it to the point where I had to find, or complete the square I should say, and I got stumped. But with your help and in doing problems by myself, I came to a place where I was able to do this problem over again and able to work it through and find that it was a hyperbola and finding the center as well as the foci. And as you can see, it was a conceptual error, which was what I was doing in most of my problems. And my action plan for this unit during the final is to score at least an 80% in this certain area, or at least try to get most, if not all of them, right. And in order to prepare for this, I am going to work on problems using the study guide and going online and looking for problems where I can improve on my skills in this unit, as well as going to different peers and seeing what they have learned and things that they can help me with. And that is it.